What differentiates regular custom cabinetry, if you could say that, from high-end custom cabinetry, or the cabinetry that we do, is attention to details and how smooth the experience is for the client. That's the biggest difference. How the process is treated. There is a big difference between run-of-the-mill cabinetry and custom higher-end cabinetry, which again is what we do. You will see it in the longevity of the product. Our product will last a lifetime and beyond. Then if it's not properly installed, all that good design, all that really well manufactured product is not going to look good. So in my opinion, once you have achieved really good design, really good manufacturing methods to where you obtain a quality product, the installation is the most important aspect of offering a custom product, custom cabinetry product. You can control the quality of the cabinets much better when everything is in-house, because when it's outsourced, I'm assuming, because I've never done it, but you're relying on the quality that somebody else can provide. If it's built in-house, you develop that quality and then you can make sure that you stick to it. So how is it better? It's consistency. And if we made one project that was close to perfection as far as quality goes, we know what we've done for that project, and we're gonna always aim to do the same for all the projects moving forward. Advantage with our company only is that you get in-house team of designers, in-house team of manufacturers, in-house team of installers. So essentially you have the same team from start to finish for your project, making sure that all the details are being taken into account. From initial meeting to final handshake, you're dealing with the same crew. Solle Squad.